Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the things I did to hit 1000 subscribers in 9 months. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know that as at February 2021 I had just 100 subscribers, and it had been like that for the previous 5 months. It was as if I was stuck on 100 subscribers, and it was so disappointing. It was frustrating. It felt like everything I was doing, like all the videos I was uploading, it wasn't working out for me. As you can see now, I'm over 1000 subscribers. So this video is all about sharing with you guys everything I did that helped me hit 1000 subscribers faster, because to be honest, as at that February I didn't know, like I didn't believe that I was going to hit 1000 subscribers. I just decided to start doing things and see how it works. Another thing that encouraged me was the fact that I love making YouTube videos. Okay, I love the fact that I have a YouTube channel. It's like a personal project for me, because prior to having a YouTube channel I didn't like to be involved in anything. Like I just prefer being in the background and pushing others forward. So this my YouTube channel was really important to me. Like being a success was very paramount to me. So I had to change a lot of things, which I'm going to share with you guys in this video. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing I did was to stop being shy about my YouTube channel. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't like telling people that knew me that I have a YouTube channel. Like it was just as if I was hiding everything, because I was so scared about what would people say. Normally I've always been a quiet person, so in my head I believed that a lot of people were going to react negatively to the fact that I have a YouTube channel, because I've never been someone that likes talking a lot. So I was hiding the fact that I have a YouTube channel. I never told anyone. In fact, the people that used to help me promote my YouTube channel were my siblings. They were basically the ones promoting my YouTube channel for me. I wasn't doing I wasn't telling anybody, because I told myself that this YouTube has come to stay, right? This is something I want to do for a long time, so eventually people are going to know about it. So why not it being me telling them about it, instead of like being shy about it and hiding and not promoting myself. So I stopped being shy about my YouTube channel. That was the first thing I did, and it's really helped a lot in the other processes, which I'm going to share with you. So once I stopped being shy about my YouTube channel, I started taking my YouTube channel like an actual job. So YouTube was something I used to do occasionally. Whenever I post, and it's not like I plan my content. I just, whenever I wake up and I'll be like, okay, today is a very good day to post on my YouTube channel, I'll just film whatever and however and upload it on my channel like that. No, that was the wrong thing. It was one of the wrong things I was doing. Right now I have to plan my content. I have to know that I am giving people quality, not just hustling up something that even I as a person, if I see someone upload that kind of thing, I wouldn't watch. I decided to take my YouTube as an actual job, because for some people YouTube is a full-time job and they are making so much money on it. So like, for people to make this kind of money, they are seeing their YouTube channel as their actual job. So I had to start putting in effort, the kind of effort I'll put if I had a boss in the office. That was the kind of, I started putting in so much effort on my channel. I started planning my content. I started drawing up inspiration, thinking of video ideas. I started being serious about my upload days and time. I started going through a lot of things. That will take us to my third point, which is I started planning out my content and uploading consistently. Planning out your content helps you in so many ways. Planning your content involves knowing what your video will be all about, coming up with the title. It's not when you upload the video you now come and start thinking about the title. Sometimes if I don't have time, I even upload the video and schedule, so that I'll make sure I'm as consistent as possible, because I decided to take my YouTube very seriously. So I started improving on my content, the kind of content I put out. I had to search for songs, because then even the music I use for my videos were just wherever I get any music. So but now I have to research the song. I have to research, in fact I have to know what I'm going for whenever I am filming a video and editing it and then putting it out there, because to be honest, your YouTube channel is your brand. So when people watch your videos, what are they looking forward to? What do they expect to get from your video? And also another thing that helped me was the fact that I started making videos that I as a person would want to watch if I'm on the person's shoes. Because yes, it's one thing to put out content, it's another thing for people to actually want to watch your content. Aside from your family and friends, which you can force your videos down their throat, will other people want to watch your videos? That's the question you should constantly ask yourself. So I had to put myself in their shoes. If someone uploaded, I start asking myself, okay, if someone uploads this kind of video online, would I use my data to watch this video? So it's also one of the things that helped me a lot in improving on my YouTube channel. You can't just wake up and be like, okay, I've not posted for like 1 month, and then the video you end up posting, it will even be better that you didn't post anything at all. So you need to improve on your videos. You also need to go through your analytics. Your analytics shows you when your viewers are online, when is the best time to upload, your videos that are doing well, all this kind of thing. When you study your analytics, it will also help you do better on your YouTube channel. The next thing I did was I improved on my video quality, visual wise and content wise. Content wise is I started planning out my content. I started like doing better in terms of bringing out content, filming content. Before I film anything, I think about what I want to achieve with that video, what I want to show people. If it's a vlog, what kind of places am I going, or what kind of things am I doing around the house, like what I want to show people, what the vlog will be all about. I think that helps in the general outlook of the vlog. And then visual wise, I also improved on my content. Like now I'm filming with my camera, but I used to film with my phone before I got a camera. That if you don't have money for camera yet, you can just start using your phone, but make sure it's as clear as possible. Set your resolution to the highest capacity your phone can carry, and then make sure you always wipe the lens of your camera so that the vision won't be blurry, because if you have like oil stains or dirt in front of the camera, it will affect the quality output of the camera. So even if you can't afford a camera right now, you can just start with your phone. Just make sure you optimize your phone properly to give you the best output. Also, I had to improve on my filming skills and my editing skills. So prior to February 2021, I didn't really pay attention to filming a clip from different angles, adding b-rolls and all those things. It was from February I started learning about all those things, and it has been a game changer for me, because I've gotten a lot of compliments from people that my videos have improved tremendously, and it gives me so much joy how much I've grown. Also, my editing skills have improved a lot. What I basically did was I started paying more attention to people I watch their videos on YouTube. Now, as a YouTuber, I like to watch YouTube videos too. It was one of the motivations I had to start my own YouTube channel. So there are people I love watching their videos on YouTube. I had to pay more attention to their editing skills, trying to see what I can improve while making my own videos. Those are the things that help me. I didn't pay for any special class to teach me editing skills or filming skills. All these things are things like I just learned from watching other people's videos. Basically, I didn't even watch any editing videos online. I just watch people I love watching on YouTube, and then I understand how their videos work, and I pick 1 or 2 things from there. And it's not even one person, like I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I get to incorporate all these things I learned in my own videos, which changed the game for me. Just learn the basics, and I think you'll be good for now, except you want to take it for, then you can invest in all those filming class, editing class, and all that. I also pay attention to the kind of music I add to my videos depending on what I want the video to be like. There are some of my videos that are very noisy, loud, all over the place. Maybe I'm going from one place to the other, you know, hanging out and all. In those kind of videos, I can decide to put loud music, you know, party music and all that. And then there are some other videos which are calm and it's just me doing things around the house. In those kind of videos, I'll put calm, soothing music because it goes with the vibe of the video. So these are the things you need to think about when you're making your videos. It helps a lot in improving the quality of your videos, and you know, the more you improve, the more you get to meet a lot of people, the more people get to discover your channel, because when people start watching your videos more than they're used to, YouTube will continue to recommend your videos. So the more eyes on your videos, the more subscribers you will get. Okay, another thing I did was I started trying different niches, as opposed to, you know, there are videos you watch about how to start a YouTube channel. Some people will tell you to find a niche and stick to it, but the truth is, when you're still starting out on YouTube, nobody knows you, right? And you're trying to break through, so you need to try different things to know what your audience would like to watch. So if you stick to one niche, the people in other niche won't really know that you exist. In fact, they won't know, it's not even, they won't know that you exist. So what I did was I started trying out different niches, and eventually I understood what works on my channel. There are different kinds of videos you can film on YouTube. I believe you should just go ahead and film it and then know which one works for you, because if you stick to, let me say you are into makeup videos, if you stick to doing only makeup videos, the only audience you're going to get are people who watch makeup videos. So my advice is, if you're still starting, you can try out different niches. Also, it's fine if you don't know your niche. Even till now, I still try my hands on different kinds of videos. I have different categories of audience, so it's my own way of making everybody feel included on my channel. So you can try that on your channel and see if it works for you. The next point I have is I made some YouTuber friends and we support each other on our YouTube channel. Now, the only way to get support is not by going to big YouTubers' channel and commenting under their comment section and expecting them to repost you or something like that. There are people who are still struggling like you, so why not find those kind of people? It's easier for them to help you out because they understand the struggle. Some of the big YouTubers you're always talking up to in their comment section, they're not even noticing you because they have a lot of comments to go through, so it can be hectic, it can be really overwhelming reading a lot of comments. So why not start with people who understand their struggle, people who are still struggling. Like, I made friends with some people who have a YouTube channel and it's working out for me, so I think you should try it too. And you can still stick to you commenting on bigger YouTubers' channel, but I think making friends with people who can understand your struggle, who can understand how frustrating it is to upload videos and not get much views, despite the fact that you spent hours and hours editing that videos, I think you should try it. My next point is you should promote yourself as much as you can. In fact, as often as you can. Always make sure you bring it up to people that, oh, I have a YouTube channel, you should check it out. I have a YouTube channel, you should subscribe to my channel. When you upload a new video on your channel, make sure you share it across your different social media platforms. That way, even if someone doesn't want to watch it, if you keep putting it in their face, one day they will definitely be triggered to go and watch your videos and see what it's all about. Because sometimes when you tell people you started a YouTube channel, they're just waiting for you to see, you know, to see what you're going to do with the channel, if you're being serious or if it's just something that after 1 month you will give up on. But if you continue, if you're consistent, people will eventually come around. Okay, I think you need to promote yourself at any given point in time. At any opportunity you get, make sure you promote yourself. You know, tell people you have a YouTube channel, they should subscribe, and not just subscribe and go. They should make sure they watch your videos. Okay, I think it helps a lot too. It helps to put you out. It helps to make people understand that this YouTube thing is really important to you because they want to see what you'll be up to, you know, things like that. So make sure you always promote yourself. Promote yourself as often as it permits. make sure you promote yourself. The last point which I'm going to share with you is that I always go through my analytics to see which videos are doing well and which videos are not doing so well. Those videos that are doing so well, I try to recreate them. Recreating doesn't mean you re-upload the videos you've already uploaded. Also, an additional point I'd like to add is I started using TubeBuddy as my search engine optimization, and it's doing really well. It has been doing really well. So guys, these are the things I did that helped change the game for me. I believe if you apply these things well, you should be able to hit your 1K subscribers to maybe even faster than I did, because all these things were a learning curve for me. It was a learning process. I didn't just learn all these things in a day. It took time and effort and energy, because I wanted to succeed on YouTube. So those are the things I did. And right now, even for the past 1 month, all through October, I did not upload any video on my channel, but people were still subscribing. It was even in October when I wasn't uploading anything that I hit the 1,000 subscribers. So you can see. So remember to subscribe, like, comment in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.